Hey everyone, today let's discuss how to check your Sam's Club credit card application status. Stick around till the end to learn more. To check your application status through the web, head over to Sam's Club's website at samsclub.com, link in the description. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can register and apply for the credit card. Once logged in, navigate to the credit cards or account management section. Look for the View Credit Card Application option. Provide any necessary information, such as your social security number or application reference number. Submit your request to check the status of your credit card application. Keep an eye out for updates. They may indicate approval, pending status, or denial. You might also receive updates via email or a letter with the decision. Check your email regarding your application status. If you need assistance, you can call the Sam's Club support number at 800-964-1917 phone number in the description and ask for help. Follow the steps provided to check your application status. Alternatively, you can get connected with a representative and inform them that you'd like to check your Sam's Club credit card application status. And there you have it. That's how you check the application status for your Sam's Club credit card. Thanks for watching. Until next time.